COVID-19 is a new disease affecting everyone on Earth. Although it is new, we have already learned a lot from the scientists who have studied this disease. We know now that COVID-19 is very infectious and that it spreads easily from person to person. The virus is spread when an infected person coughs, sneezes, and touches surfaces such as door handles and light switches. A healthy person gets the virus when the droplets from an infected person enters their body through their eyes, nose, or mouth. A healthy person can also get the virus by touching contaminated objects or surfaces and then touching their face. Some of the symptoms of COVID-19 are cough, fever, sore throat, tiredness, and shortness of breath. We need to remember that new symptoms are still being discovered and reported. Everyone is at risk of contracting COVID-19, but some people will get sicker than others. Young children, including babies, often have only a very mild infection. Older people, especially those who are 70 years and above, can get very sick if they are infected by COVID-19. In general, COVID-19 seems to affect older people and people with chronic health conditions, such as diabetes, more seriously. Currently, it seems that 80% of COVID-19 infections will be mild and most people will recover. The pandemic will end when a vaccine is discovered and most people are vaccinated. The good news is that some research laboratories are already testing prototype vaccinations. Each one of us has a responsibility to safeguard ourselves and those around us from contracting the virus. The following 7 tips will help to limit the spread of this very infectious disease. Wash your hands often with soap and water and for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Avoid close contact with people who are sick and stay at home if you are sick. Try and keep a safe distance from others, at home and when you go out. Cover your coughs and sneezes with a flexed elbow or a tissue, then throw the tissue in the bin. When you go out, wear a cloth mask that covers your nose and mouth. Let us remember during this time the words of Coretta Scott King, the widow of Martin Luther King. The greatness of a community is measured by the compassionate actions of its members.